Welcome to my channel. To watch the recent videos, please subscribe my channel. You will get more information on latest technologies, job vacancies, abroad education and scholarships from different universities, organizations and from different countries. In this present video, I would like to talk about 7 tips to increase your productivity in Python. 7 tips that will help you to improve your programming skills as well as achieve better productivity with Python. Python is a fantastic programming language for almost all programmers of any skill level. Python is one of the most popular language choices in the modern generation, and it will probably remain so for the upcoming decade. In this video, I will focus on 7 essential tips that will help us to improve our overall productivity with Python as well as to achieve better results while using this fabulous programming language. The 7 tips are a combination of both technical and practical points of implementation. The main topic of the video assumes at least a brief introductory understanding of the Python language. If you have a decent grasp of the programming language, you can feel free to skip ahead to the tips section of the article. However, if you are still new to Python and want to briefly learn more about it, then refer to the next couple of sections to understand what is Python and why exactly we make use of this programming language. What is Python? Python is an object-oriented high-level programming language that was released way back in 1991. Python is highly interpretable and efficient. Python is a versatile, and thanks to its resourcefulness, it is a suitable fit for data science. I initially started with languages like C, C++ and Java. When I finally encountered Python, I found it to be quite elegant, simple to learn and easy to use. Python is the best way for anyone, even people with no prior experience with programming or coding languages, to get started with machine learning. Despite having some flaws like being considered a slow language, Python is still one of the best languages for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Although there are a variety of other languages such as Julia, Golang, etc., which might be quite competitive against Python in the future years, the latter remains the better choice at this point. Why Python? The main reasons for the popularity of Python for data science and artificial intelligence alongside various other applications despite other languages like Java, JavaScript, R, etc. is as follows. As mentioned previously, Python is a simple language and is overall consistent. The rapid increase in popularity in comparison to other programming languages makes it a suitable pick for beginner level programmers. Has extensive resources concerning a wide range of libraries and frameworks for supporting data science. Versatility and platform independence, which means Python can import essential modules built in other programming languages as well. It has a great community with the continuous updates. The Python community in general is filled with amazing people with constant updates made to improve Python. To get started with Python, you can download it. With that simple introduction of the way, let us understand 7 essential tips to improve your overall coding and achieve better results in the Python programming language. Choosing your IDE for a particular project. An integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools and debugger. Point number 2, using list comprehensions. Lists are a type of data structures and can be used effectively to solve a variety of complex structures before moving other ahead. Let us understand what data structures and lists are in more detail. Better use of classes and functions. Let us briefly understand what classes and functions exactly are in a bit more detail, and then we can dive into why making better use of these can yield better productive results. Classes provide a means of bundling data and functionality together. Creating a new class creates a new type of object, allowing new instances of that type to be made. Each class instance can have attributes attached to it for maintaining its state. Class instances can also have methods defined by its class for modifying its state. Google search is your best friend while debugging. The best part about working with any programming language is the eventual errors that you will encounter. When you run into these bugs, you could easily decipher if it is a silly blunder, or you can end up having a hard time finding out your mistakes. And point number 5, anonymous functions and operations. In Python, an anonymous function is a function that is defined without a name, while normal functions are defined using the def keyword. In Python, anonymous functions are defined using the lambda keyword. Point number 6, interact with the community. It is not uncommon in programming to get stuck on a problem that you are working on for a long time. The best part is Python, as mentioned earlier, is that it has a brilliant community with very helpful people and lots of resources at your disposal for your benefit. Point number 7 and the last point. Keep practicing and work on more projects. The interesting part about Python is the wide array of options it offers you. Also, the best part is with each mistake you make, you learn something new and what you did wrong, provided you find a solution by looking it up on the internet or cracking it by yourself. This feeling makes the overall experience even more satisfactory. So keep practicing. In this video, I have discussed about 7 tips which are, in my opinion, some of the best ways to achieve better results with the Python programming language. I hope that tips discussed in this video will help you in improving your code. If you have any queries about the topic addressed in this video, then please feel free to let me in the comments below, and I will try to reply back as soon as possible. Thank you very much. If this video is interesting, please click on like, subscribe and share. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Wish you all the best and wish you all the success. May God bless you. Thank you once again for watching my video.